back to my channel. So, if you new here, my name is Angelica, but you're OG, you already know who it is. And today, I'm gonna do something a little different on my channel, okay? So, I want to take you guys grocery shopping, microwave edition. So, all the food I'm gonna buy today at the grocery store, it'll be microwave food only, because my air fryer is broken right now. So right now I gotta find something to get rid of the air fryer. So it's been some work in these streets, but hey, I've been making it work and still eating healthy and getting my protein. So yeah, so I'm going to take you grocery shopping, vegan edition, microwave vegan edition. So I'm taking you vegan grocery shopping, and not only that, in this video I'm showing you why I eat in a day as a vegan realistically, because a lot of people don't show realistically what they eat. I'm telling you realistically what I eat on a daily basis. It changes. I'm gonna show you how I eat, like what I eat, whether I'm eating a whole bag of chips all day. You've seen it, you know. So that's what all the video gonna be about. So if you wanna see me go vegan grocery shopping, microwave edition, plus what I eat today, stay tuned. It's gonna be the best video you ever watch.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, me with the drama. Unless you come in with that commas. Oh, DJ, turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up.
So I got me a pack of noodles. These some good. I haven't had these flavor. I had the kimchi flavor, and the kimchi flavor was really good. Then I got my favorite brownie. I haven't had these in so long, and they're so good. I just had to get these because these like the vegan version of cheeses. I really want to try it. Got me some protein shake. I want to get back drinking protein shake. And I found me some vegan mac and cheese cups. So I'm excited to try these. So yeah. This is my grocery haul from Amazon. I still gotta go to the physical store, Publix, and Walmart, but this is just what I ordered off Amazon that Walmart didn't have in store. So, yeah.
From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make it feel weaker. But they know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Only got a nigga calling on me, 'cause I wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some kerosene in it. Make this stick up, I wanna put it in the rim. Wanna get a deep, I serve it like a dealer. Give it up, I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in your bird, it doesn't feel no realer. Up every picture, I'm part of ride. She a tough, you know what? Lips sweet, feeling like a sirloin. Told the chauffeur, take it shit some nasty stuff. Have a plan with you, be a war.
From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make it feel weaker. But they know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Original, girl, you want a replica. Smooth, even
Okay, now I'm fully done with my grocery shopping. I would say for them, but none of so I went to Publix, Aldi, and Walmart. None of them have vegan TV dinner. I don't know what's going on with Publix and Walmart about my TV dinner, because usually when I fuck with me, they used to have a bunch of vegan TV. Now they don't have them no more. I don't know what's going on. And usually I order, when they started doing, I usually order from Kroger. They took away Kroger from me, so I'm like, so I don't know how to do this at all, but we're gonna make it work this month. So I get some money to get my air fryer fixed. We're gonna make this work. So let's first start out with Publix. So the bag I got from Publix is great. Usually I'm not a fresh public person, but and it look good. And paying these bad boy look good, so and I'm gonna cost like $10, but they don't get eaten. And then I got the Golden Crust My Pie Jamaican Pie with Beyond Beef. Oh my god, like the other day, Monday, I went to the place. It had one in Tampa. And they had like the Golden Crust restaurant in Tampa. And I was able to buy like a Spanish patty. Oh my god, that was so good. But it was less bad because, you know, the seasoning. But that was so good. But yeah, I'm going to need. But I didn't know that I actually had an actual restaurant. So, nah, no. Next, got some chips. I got me some waffles. Got barbecue. Got another thing, a barbecue, and Publix popcorn. Oh my god, since I found out they were vegan, I've been eating. Oh my god. He was like, oh my god, I'm like, I gotta get another bag. I'm like, yeah, I gotta get like 2 bags. They're like, oh, now you got me eating them. I don't know what Publix be doing to this thing, but this thing tastes so good. Oh my god, like, Publix, you doing something. And then from last thing I got from Publix is the Powerade. I love blue Powerade, so yeah, I don't drink. I'm usually a water good, but I actually like to treat myself like that. And I used to get Powerade because they give you the electrolyte instead of packing your body. Especially it's still summertime and hot, and you know what? At 111 degrees outside, this right here what I need. And they buy one get one free right now this week at Publix. So about like 4 of them, 5 to have. To eat and I eat the drink because this some sun is taking a beat on my body. Now we're gonna move on to Walmart. Don't mind the mess I make on my floor. I already don't get cleaned up. If my people just had it down, I don't buy nothing else on rotation. Usually this is not on rotation at all. But none of this on rotation that I usually get right now. So like I said, F5. I get it. Right now you go look at the options, waiting for she to eat while here. But these are in my monthly rotation. I usually buy 2 bottles, but since I got a box and I just opened my deep freezer. No point in buying another 2 boxes, so I bought 1 box this month. So I said this thing was the best thing ever. And you know, these days so good. Next. From Walmart, I got, so I used to buy a case back when I was before I used to buy a case of these Bush vegetarian baked beans and some rice. This is good, but I only to buy 3 of them this month. So these, and then I bought me some. I've been craving some boiled peanuts, and people don't really sell boiled peanuts on the street. I mean they do, but you have to find them and you have to go longer. I'm not about to do all that, pay no $7. Bob in. I mean I can, but these are down and some change at Walmart. And you know, pop in the microwave. So, but I got some boiled peanuts, and I got this because we want some vegan spam, but yeah, I'm struggling. You see, I'm struggling. Usually not my rotation what I got, but we gonna make do this month. I got the meat plant-based roast beef. They say you to cook this in the microwave and put it over rice. So. Apparently this is good, but I have not tried it from it. I tried the spam from the brand, but I have not tried the roast beef from the brand. So next is some rice, sticky rice. Usually I never got it from, but they start selling the brand I usually buy my sticky rice. That was the best vegan brand of sticky rice, but they start selling it at Walmart. I'm telling you, Walmart and Publix are the 2 groceries that take away all my vegan food. Every time I get a good meal, I love it, I'm consistent with it, they take it away. Publix and Walmart, you guys just take away my vegan food, please. Oh my god. But these some good sticky rice. These some good sticky rice too. So I usually put this and this. Then what might come back as collard student, some sticky rice, baked beans, Mr. Good. This right here is a meal by itself. When I said this is a meal by itself, your butt will get filled up. Your butt won't even be halfway done. Your butt before. I'm telling you. This right here is the best food combo. Right here. Last but not least, got these SHEIN green mushroom and fried tofu noodle. They vegan, so hopefully they're good. They're the same brand as, they're from the same company as these right here. Which like I said earlier, I love the kimchi. I tried the kimchi one time and I died with spicy. I was so good. And oh my god, I was eating. I was dying by now because I ain't ate that whole day. I know we're eating noodles that were good. And I don't like noodles at all. But Maybe you gotta do what I gotta do. So I got 2 packs of noodles. I hope they good. Because I don't like mushrooms at all, but they say it's vegan, so you can see it say vegan. So yeah, this is pretty much my grocery haul for the so far this month. I might do some more later, but this now to let you know, this is the microwave version, the microwave edition of this video, because when I have my air fryer, trust me, we'll be having pizza, some biscuits. I'm telling you, I have the whole, I be having sauce everything. I be making meals in my little air fryer. And since that, I can't make my meals no more, so we gotta make some meals with this option. But this is not all of it. I might do have to go shopping later on in the month to buy more, but why not? This is what I got for this month so far. So yeah. And then my next set going out. Again, my day is reminder at 12 o'clock. The lady at 12 o'clock. But yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff away. And then also what I ate today with, let's see, I ate one of these brownies. And I was so hungry doing my shopping trip. I ate one of these right here are the best behind brownies. I remember eating these a couple years ago. Oh my god, they is so good. I say they're so good. They got dates in them. Oh my god, I don't know what with the dates, but these brownies, get some of these vegan brownies. I'm telling you, the best vegan brownies you would ever have in your life. But let me go put up Vigo. Oh wait, before, oh my god. I'm gonna move you over here. I don't know you to see, but yes, I've got Audis. So usually every month, Audis is also in my rotation every month. Sometimes I used to get 2 cases of pills, but this month I decided to get 1 case. And so, but I usually get the canned pills from Audis, a whole case of it, and a whole case of the pineapple slices. This is my monthly rotation from Aldi, because this is what I eat from Aldi. Like, because I try to, my pie, this year my goal is really try to eat at least 1 piece of fruit a day. I've been slacking a little bit lately because I like to be laughing, so honestly I could not. But yeah, so not, and plus I didn't have no more to eat some. Yeah, these my daily rotation, so I keep these in my ice spot. Make sure they're cold, and like late night. Usually I don't eat it first thing, but I usually eat it late nights. Like after dinner, like after 12 o'clock type. These my midnight snack. I gotta do my midnight snack. So when I don't want to eat nothing heavy, especially when I'm about to go to bed and stuff, I like Kennedy's. I'm good. So yeah, this is my monthly rotation right here at fruits. I'm trying to be more better eating fruits. They're trying to get my lifestyle back together, especially since I have not worked out since I can't take more. That's how long it's been. I'm trying to get better consistent. There's so much going on. Life and this. Every time I'm making my day planner, something happen, you know. So, but we're gonna get back on track. One day, but we're gonna get back on track. Life might be life, and the devil, like the Bible said, the devil comes to steal, kill, and destroy, and he's still been trying to steal, kill, and destroy me right now. So, but don't worry, we don't get back on track. We're gonna get back on track and get back in the healthy eating. I'm usually healthy eating, even though you see how much junk food. I really don't eat like junk food like that. I've been very good. And lately I've been eating a lot of fast food, but I'm trying to cut down. But I'm a fish fry. I'm telling you, I would go to Salem's right now and get me a family size fry and eat that big plate of fry by myself. So I'm trying to be good right now. So yeah, but even though you see a lot of snacks and stuff, I really don't. I'm not a big snacker. As of lately, I've been trying to cut down on it, but I have them in case I get hungry late at night. I just need something to snack on. And so edit a video or something about what that is. So this is my whole grocery haul. So I'm gonna go put this stuff up. And I'll talk to you guys again later. I find what I'm gonna eat. Because like I said, there's also what I eat in the day video. So yeah, let's go do that.
Original girl, you want a replica. Smooth, even regular. With your for real, I'm put you on my cellular. You don't say you hot.
Like smooth, what? Can you teach me how to Dougie? You know why? Cause all the bitches love me, ayy. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. And for you to back it up and dump it, get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride. Ain't nobody fucking with my bro from Morningside. He go by Bubba and he hit that dance like thunder, okay. I ain't from Dallas, but I D-Town boogie. I show my moves on to everybody tryna do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies tryna
Now dinner time because it's 9:30 at night. I'm hungry and I'm not ate all day. Since the only I had today were the brownies and a few of the popcorn I got from Publix. So now I'm ready to cook. I'm gonna cook me some noodles tonight. So I'm gonna eat these. Oh, check me please. Thank you. So I'm gonna eat the SHEIN veggie noodle soup. This I'm gonna have some grapes tonight, but also I don't know. I might have me some butter peanuts. I might be a little greedy, but like I said, I have not eaten nothing all day, so I haven't had no food or nothing all day. This one got the mushrooms in it too. Yeah, I don't do mushrooms at all. Let me take the little mushrooms out. I really don't like them. Okay.
So I move my shoulders and I take it real low. They like how we do that, he can Dougie on the floor. Yeah, when the niggas stop, they like Dougie some more. I'm like a nigga kinda tired and I pass it to the bro and bomb. Show these cats how to do that. Down south dance that we learned to lose too fast and brought it to the hood and got the whole crew ass. Teach me how to Dougie, teach me how to Dougie, Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie, teach me how to Dougie, Dougie.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
Really good. Nice spicy, very mild. Really good. It tastes like the kimchi one. You know, this is just the veggies one. This tastes just like the kimchi one. Oh my god, so good. But yeah, I'll come back later. I don't cook more food. But yeah, my food, I'll come back later. So, we'll be back. Okay, everybody. So, this is the end of my vegan grocery shopping microwave edition video. Plus, while eating the day video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see my video, comment below about it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let you guys know if you like to see more vegan content. So even though I don't full on cook like I used to vegan wise, but there's no, I know how to eat good and get a full meal with what all the things I buy in the video. I did get a full meal after those, so don't worry. But yeah, this let you guys know what next, what's good. And I see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for continuing to walk with me, supporting me and stuff. I know some of the videos, like, a lot, I'm working on trying to plan. I know you guys like what's going on with the series. Life happened, but I am bringing back the series. I don't know when, but it's coming back soon. Just stay tuned with me. But the series is still going to continue. It's just life been life. So, anyway, I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.